In this video, we'll be covering setting up your user profile in Shape software. This includes integrating your Gmail or Outlook, setting user notifications, and choosing your outbound calling preference. Starting from your dashboard, click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Personal Information. Once here, under Contact Information, we can set your basic profile information such as your name, email, and phone number. The Login Credentials block will allow you to reset your password following our password rules and enable two-factor authentication. In the top right, you'll find your profile picture where you can upload your headshot or image to be displayed across Shape. If you have the Customer Portal add-on, you'll find your referral link in the Customer Portal section, and below that you can set your time zone and license number. Moving over to Email and Calendar, you'll find where you can connect your Gmail or Outlook for the calendar integration. Once you click Connect, you'll be prompted to choose your email provider and log in with that email. Below this, you can set your email signature. Either copy-paste your current email signature or use our text HTML editor to build in your email signature. You can create a single email signature or multiple, but make sure that you have one set as your default. If you have the HTML code for your email signature, you can add that by clicking the plus with the 3 vertical dots next to it. Then click the brackets, paste in your HTML code, and click the brackets again, which will convert the code to images and text. Make sure you label your email signature and choose this as your default, and then click Save Changes. If you have an individual Calendly or Acuity link that you want to pull into an email template as variable data from user to user, put in your calendar links here. Moving on to notifications, you'll find all of the toggle switches for the user notifications across Shape. Set your notification type between email, text, pop-up, or push notification through our mobile app based on your preferred method. You'll also notice a check mark button at the top to open a record when answering an inbound call. At the bottom of this page, you'll find the notification destination where you will put the email and phone number that you would like to receive notifications on. Lastly, we'll cover the Phone tab where we can set our phone preference for outbound calling to either web phone or dialing from your internet browser, or call forwarding using an outside line to facilitate outbound dialing. And below your phone preference, you can upload your recordings for inbound voicemail greetings as well as for outbound voicemail drop. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.